welcome to my channel, and if you have been here before, welcome back. My name is Alias. We're gonna be unboxing the DYU electric bike model C3 today. The reason I picked this model is because it's super easy to just take anywhere. It's foldable. It comes with headlights as well, so if you want to ride it at night, it's just perfect. And I feel like it's just cool to have an electric bike. Definitely be using this for the gym, to just, you know, have fun. Any road trips that we go on, we're definitely taking this. I'm definitely gonna have my fiance's help to build this because I'm very picky and then I will take a long time, so I'd rather just him do it for me and help me. And by the way, this is not the only model. They have a few models depending on what your necessities are, so make sure to check out their website. Pick which one you like. I love this one personally, so that's why I picked this one. So first off, the bike came in a really secure package, but it was still pretty easy to open. As you can see me here, I am just helping to clean up, but he told me he was going to build it himself, so I'm just, you know, here to watch and help if he needs me. We were surprised because it actually came in a few pieces. Pretty much everything was already done and we just had to add stuff to it. It wasn't in a million pieces, which is amazingly convenient. And just to remind you, this one is the DYU C3 14-inch folding e-bike, which is pretty much perfect for any commuting needs for city, subway, buses, or just to chill around and drive in your neighborhood, whatever you want. The load capacity on this bike is actually up to 165 pounds, and the riding speed is up to 15.5 miles per hour with 15 miles uphill. I think that's the perfect speed, not too fast or too slow. And the mile range is actually up to 15 miles. That's really good in my opinion, because then again, you're not trying to go super far with the bike either. The best part is the charging time. You can get it charged around 3 to 4 hours, whereas other bikes really take a long time to charge. But the really best part actually is how it's less than $400. If you compare it to other bikes, is almost half the price as other bikes. I will leave you here so you can see my fiance building it. And please stay till the end because I'm gonna be riding it and telling you all about how it felt. And if you've enjoyed this video so far, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.